Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I got my replacement GoPro. Like, I sent in my old GoPro because it didn't really work. I thought it was showing my address for a sec, but it wasn't. I returned my GoPro because it didn't work when I came back from Devil's Lake, because I was swimming with it and it stopped working for some reason. I don't know why. I returned it and got a free GoPro out of it. So let's see. Ooh, nice packaging, huh? With the GoPro plastic. That's pretty cool. Where's the battery? I don't know. There it is. Brand new. What if they gave me that Hero 6 instead? That'd be funny. Hero 5. I'll probably keep this screen protector on. I don't know. Pretty cool. Nothing else in the box. Anything else in the box? No, nothing. I might keep this. That's cool. GoPro logo. I might keep the lens screen protector on because I want to get a screen protector for it. So yeah, that's it. How to get technically a free GoPro after your expiration date on your warranty. If your warranty has expired, how to get it for free. I just wrote to them nicely, and then they gave it to me because I was a GoPro customer for a long time. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, peace out.